Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of versatile cycling with the bike pedals dual function, designed for both flat and clipless riding experiences. These innovative pedals feature a dual function design, with one side compatible with the Shimano SPD MTB pedal system and the other offering a flat CNC aluminum surface, making them perfect whether you're in sneakers or cycling-specific shoes. Crafted from durable 6061 aluminum alloy, these pedals boast a chrome molybdenum spindle for superior strength and load-bearing performance, ensuring a safe and secure ride. The effective size of each pedal is 3.62 inches by 3.62 inches by 1.18 inches, and they weigh just 0.88 pounds per pair, featuring a 9/16-inch CRMO spindle with two bearings for smooth spinning. With a gasket and rear cover design, these pedals keep out water, dust, mud, and sand, providing a comfortable cycling experience no matter the conditions. Installation is a breeze with the included hexagonal wrench, washers, and pins, and the pedals fit a variety of bikes, from commuter to folding and urban styles. Packaged in a stylish color box with a laser pattern design, these pedals make an excellent gift for any cycling enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.